In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from MetaMask to a bank account. Before we start, it's important to understand that MetaMask does not work like a regular bank app. You usually cannot send crypto directly from MetaMask straight into your bank account. Instead, you first need to send your crypto from MetaMask to a crypto exchange or cash out platform, sell it for regular money, and then withdraw that money to your bank account. First, open the exchange you want to use, such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, CoinSpot, or another platform that supports withdrawals to your bank in your country. Make sure your account is verified and that bank withdrawals are available before sending any funds. Next, choose the crypto you want to transfer from MetaMask. For example, you may want to send ETH, USD, USDC, or another supported token. On the exchange, go to Deposit, choose the same crypto, and then select the correct network. This network must match the network where your crypto is currently stored in MetaMask. For example, if your USDT is on BNB Smart Chain, choose BNB Smart Chain on the exchange. If your ETH is on Ethereum mainnet, choose Ethereum. If the network does not match, your funds may not arrive correctly. Copy the deposit address from the exchange. Then open MetaMask, select the same network, choose the token you want to send, and click or tap Send. Paste the exchange deposit address, enter the amount, and review the gas fee. Remember, you need the network's native coin to pay for the transaction. Ethereum needs ETH, BNB Smart Chain needs BNB, Polygon needs Payall or Matic, and Base needs ETH. Before confirming, double-check the token, network, address, and amount. For safety, send a small test transfer first, especially if this is your first time using that exchange deposit address. Once the crypto arrives in your exchange account, go to the trading or convert section. Sell the crypto for your local currency, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or Australian dollars, depending on what your exchange supports. After selling, go to the withdrawal section and choose Bank Withdrawal. Select your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review any fees or processing times shown by the exchange. Finally, confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification required. The money should arrive in your bank account based on the exchange's processing time and your bank's schedule. That's how to transfer money from MetaMask to a bank account safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.